And today we're gonna play Super Mario Party Part 3. And I'm gonna be playing as Peach because I'm going from Mario. And Brennan's gonna be playing as Luigi. So let's get into it.
Let's go playing as Mario.
Alrighty, I just gotta get Brennan in. Wait, jump. Nope.
I'm not in.
Change the system.
I'm not
Yes.
in.
Alrighty, I'll be back, Blue Toad. And we are going to be doing Soundstage. Stop. Alrighty, we can skip this.
Okay,
And I'm going to be being Princess Peach today.
I'm gonna be Mario.
In the next video, I'm going to be playing as Daisy. So
guys, I'm gonna be Mario so I can kiss Peach.
Stop.
And I'm gonna be where's Luigi?
Luigi's up.
Okay. Go, God.
And
Mario and
and Waluigi are going to be our computers.
Change it to Daisy. Change Waluigi to Daisy.
No, and plus, this is going to be like the shortest one, so let's make it short.
What do you mean shortest one?
Because Soundstage is like the shortest one of all.
Are you gonna do minigame one?
We're going to do mini games after we get the Mario Party badge, gem, okay? So we won't be doing mini games for a long time, but you can still play mini games on different accounts, okay?
Yeah.
So let's go, Soundstage! Crank the volume, stand up, and play. Alrighty. Okay, get up. Alrighty, we got to another packed house today. It's almost showtime.
Hi guys.
Are you ready, Peach? No, not me. Are you? How about you, Luigi? Wave yours. And you, Luigi? Mario? Time to take the ultimate stage! Stop.
I'm doing a
Brennan, we're starting.
battle.
Peach! Luigi! Waluigi, you have to stand up. Mario! Start! Alrighty, let's go, guys. So first off, we're going to be doing skewering the fruit. Oh, shoot.
How do you hold it? How do you hold it? Like
You
this?
have to hold it like this.
I only got one fruit.
Okay, so I won that round, guys. Next round is flip the panels.
How do you do it?
Like this.
Hold this?
It's like the steak mode.
You hold this? Oh, dang it. What's it? It's mine. Oh, dang it. No! job. Like, good job. Oh, this is,
Oh my god! Guys, I'm still in the lead. Brennan's getting in second, so... Oh, we have to march for the final one. Turn this way.
pausing game. Need to go poop.
What'd you say? Brennan, I don't want to pause. I don't want to go on. Brennan, don't worry. You're still going to be second.
Stop!
Guys, we're going to have to wait right now. But beat. And wash your hands.
Oh yeah, no.
Flush. Need the flush as well. Thank you.
Sorry guys, we're taking long, but Brennan just needed to go to the bathroom. So,
Where's my controller?
now, press.
I get this way. I get this way. Doesn't matter which way you.
I know.
Does it even matter? Okay, did you know if a game's looking that way? If the game is looking that way, that means it's looking this way. If it's looking that way, we're looking that way.
Alrighty guys, let's see who won.
I won.
No, you didn't. Alrighty, let's see who won.
Won the whole game?
Yeah.
Could I please?
The winner is... Please be me! Please be me!
Please be me! Please be me!
Yep, knew it! Biscuits.
Could I please play a different one? This is two. This is two.
Fine, you can play a partner party.
Huh?
You can play partner party.
What's that?
It's like Mario Party, but with 2 people, but we're not missing. So that's it for part 3, guys.
I got fourth.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for part
This is
4 while
not-
I play with Daisy.
This is not showing the whole set. I don't care.
Bye. By the way, stay tuned for part 4 because me and Brennan are going to be playing. Bye. And I'm going to be Daisy, and he can be Peach if he wants.
I'm gonna be Mario.